wanted to make a quick video here. I got quite a bit of reviews and a few people watching my video here about push button millionaire system being a scam. And there's a lot of these going around for binary options. Um, and then of course you got quite a few of them here that will tell you don't buy push button millionaire, buy even block push button millionaire. Revealed. And some of them, what they do is they'll get on here and let's look at what this guy said. Yeah, he's not affiliated with them. So yeah, and he he claims he's going to give you a review on it, but what he's going to do is basically probably is tell you. Um, Yeah, he talks too fast. He's probably going to try to promote something else. I watched this guy here, Important Push Button Millionaire. Watch this first. He tries to get you on the trial offer deals. You know, I got a. This is the newest one out here. It's called Binary Matrix Pro. I'm not real sure about it. They're recommending bank to be blah blah blah. Anyways, they're recommending bank to binary, and bank to the binary is no longer available in the United States. They had a lawsuit on them. They had complaints filed. I've heard good things about bank to binary, but the bottom line is these binary option sites, you're better off if you're gonna do anything like that. You're better off just to get into trading forex with a reputable broker. There's Nadex, and then there's a lot of other ones that you're better off. And the thing about it is, you binary options. These people don't make money unless you lose money, and they also have. Let me show you here. There's a couple great videos on this stuff, but these robots just don't work. Basically, because they're saying that they'll predict the future, and nobody can predict the future. No robot can predict the future. You can get signals and stuff like that, saying which direction they think it might go, but as far as anybody trying to predict the future or a robot, here's a good video that I found a long time ago. Binary options, how to lose a fortune, just make a deposit. And that's true. And this guy, if you get a chance, watch his video. It's binary options, how to lose a fortune, just make a deposit. And he speaks the truth. There's another one here. Let me see if I can find it. Is this guy tells you the truth about binary options, and he was actually an insider. He worked for a binary options company. He's got a great video here. Some of these people, and King Human here, he says it's a scam, and he's a smart guy, you know. He says it's gambling, and basically that's what it is, because what happens is you're betting on the currency to go up or down. Well, anybody that knows anything about forex, the currencies fluctuate. They go up and down, up and down, up and down during the process. Well, excuse me. So anyways, they they go up and down during the process, so the thing will turn red or green, red or green, red or green, and that happens on your regular forex platforms. And if you just had, if you say it's going to go up and the stock is or the currency is clearly going up, but if it just happens at the very millisecond that your option trading closes, then what happens if it's on the down, you will lose. And I mean, there's so much research you can do here, but beware of people that are trying to promote stuff. Because there's a lot of people out here. Let me see if I can find. I can't find the one I was looking for, but the thing about it is, you have to really be leery. These robots cannot predict the future. Let's see if I can find that one. But this binary matrix pro, it's a little different. It's a signal service. It's not a robot that's going to predict the future for you. It's a signal service. But the bottom line is these things tick up and down, up and down, up and down during that time period. And if you say it's going to go up, and it is actually going up, but if it just happens to be on a down tick on the very moment that it expires, you're going to lose, even though it went up. And so it's about, the stock stacked about 75% against you to begin with. So anyways, there was one other thing I wanted to say here, and I was trying to find it, but there is no software and there's a bunch of them out there. There's no way that you're gonna be able to predict the future like that. And now I'm having a brain freeze here, but it's a matter of what are you gonna believe? And people are they're capitalizing on people that are looking for an easy way or get rich quick or whatever, and they're taking advantage of that. So don't fall for these robots. I mean, it's just scam, 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 scam. That's all I got to say.